The following animation illustrates how a mechanical reversing gearbox works using a schematic model. The individual components. The drive shaft. It is connected to the combustion engine. It always rotates in the same direction. The ship's shaft. It is connected to the propeller or a reduction gear. The gear housing. It is used to attach the horizontally positioned pinions. The two pinions. The lamellae plates. They connect the ship's shaft to the gear housing. The brake band. It stops the rotation of the gear housing. The hand lever. This is used to change the direction of rotation and stop the rotation of the ship's shaft. Stalling of the ship's shaft. The lamellar plates are pressed together and connect the ship's shaft to the gear housing. The ship's shaft runs forward. The brake band stops the rotation of the gear housing. The ship's shaft is running backwards. The brake band mechanism. Stalling of the ship's shaft. The ship's shaft runs forward. The rotation of the gear housing is stopped by a helical system. When the hand lever pushes the pull rod forward, the brake band is tightened. The ship's shaft is running backwards. The reversing gearbox manufactured by the company NV Brevo Amsterdam. Type 106. 60 horsepower. 600 revolutions per minute. Built in 1954.